Minimalist interior design is often associated with clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and a calm atmosphere that feels both modern and timeless. However, one of the most decisive elements that shapes the success of a minimalist apartment is its color scheme. Color does far more than decorate walls. It defines mood, influences perception of space, and creates visual harmony. Choosing the best color scheme for a minimalist apartment interior requires thoughtful consideration, balancing restraint with character. When done correctly, color becomes a silent yet powerful tool that elevates simplicity into refined elegance. Understanding the role of color in minimalist design. In minimalist interiors, color is not used to impress through abundance, but to communicate clarity and purpose. Each shade must earn its place. Unlike more decorative styles, where layers of color can coexist freely, minimalism demands discipline. A limited palette helps maintain visual calm and prevents the space from feeling chaotic or overwhelming. Color in minimalist design also plays a functional role. Light tones can make small apartments feel more open and airy, while darker hues can add depth and intimacy when used sparingly. The goal is not to eliminate color, but to use it intentionally, ensuring that every surface contributes to a cohesive whole. Neutral foundations as a timeless choice. Neutral colors form the backbone of most minimalist apartments, and for good reason. Shades such as white, beige, soft gray, and warm taupe create a clean canvas that allows architecture, furniture, and natural light to shine. These tones reflect light effectively, making interiors feel larger and more breathable, especially in urban apartments with limited square footage. White remains the most iconic minimalist color, but it does not have to be stark or cold. Variations like off-white, ivory, or cream can add warmth without compromising simplicity. Gray, when chosen carefully, introduces sophistication and balance. Warmer grays feel inviting, while cooler grays convey a sleek, contemporary character. By selecting a neutral foundation, residents gain flexibility to evolve their decor over time without redesigning the entire space. Using monochromatic schemes for visual harmony. A monochromatic color scheme involves using different shades, tones, and textures of a single color. This approach aligns naturally with minimalist principles, as it creates unity without monotony. For example, an apartment based on soft gray can include lighter gray walls, medium gray furniture, and darker gray accents. The success of a monochromatic scheme depends on variation. Texture becomes essential, as it prevents the space from appearing flat. Matte walls, linen upholstery, polished concrete floors, and subtle metallic finishes can coexist within the same color family, offering richness without visual noise. Monochromatic schemes are particularly effective for those who appreciate order, calmness, and a seamless flow between rooms. Introducing accent colors with restraint. While neutral and monochromatic palettes dominate minimalist interiors, accent colors can be introduced to add personality and depth. The key is restraint. 1 or 2 accent colors, used sparingly, can transform an understated space into one that feels intentional and expressive. Earthy tones such as muted green, terracotta, or soft brown work well in minimalist apartments as they connect the interior to nature and create warmth. Alternatively, deeper hues like navy blue or charcoal can add contrast and elegance when applied to a single wall, a piece of furniture, or select accessories. The accent color should complement the main palette rather than compete with it, acting as a visual anchor that draws the eye without overwhelming the senses. The influence of natural light on color selection. Natural light significantly affects how colors appear within a space. A color that looks perfect in a showroom may feel entirely different once applied in an apartment with specific lighting conditions. South-facing apartments typically receive warm, abundant light, allowing cooler colors to balance the brightness. In contrast, north-facing apartments often benefit from warmer tones that counteract cooler, dimmer light. Minimalist interiors rely heavily on light to emphasize openness, so understanding how daylight interacts with color is crucial. Testing paint samples at different times of day helps ensure consistency and prevents unpleasant surprises. Soft, light reflective colors enhance brightness, while overly dark tones can make small spaces feel enclosed if not balanced with sufficient light. Balancing warm and cool tones. A successful minimalist color scheme often involves a thoughtful balance between warm and cool tones. Warm colors, such as beige or soft brown, create comfort and approachability. Cool colors, such as gray or blue-based whites, convey calmness and modernity. Combining both, in subtle proportions, results in a space that feels neither sterile nor overly cozy. For example, warm wooden floors paired with cool white walls create contrast without clutter. Similarly, cool gray cabinetry balanced by warm lighting and natural textures can feel both refined and inviting. This balance ensures that the minimalist apartment remains livable, not merely visually appealing. Color consistency across open-plan spaces. Many minimalist apartments feature open-plan layouts where living, dining, and kitchen areas flow into one another. In such spaces, color consistency is essential to maintain visual continuity. A unified color scheme helps define the apartment as a single, harmonious environment rather than a collection of disconnected zones. This does not mean every area must be identical in color, but transitions should be subtle. Variations can be introduced through slight changes in tone or texture rather than abrupt shifts in hue. Consistent base colors, combined with restrained accents, allow each functional area to feel distinct while still belonging to the same overall design language. Personal expression within minimalist boundaries. Minimalism does not require the removal of individuality. On the contrary, a well-chosen color scheme can reflect personal taste more clearly than a crowded palette. Whether one prefers calm, spa-like neutrality, or a touch of bold contrast, the key lies in clarity of intention. Personal expression can appear through artwork, textiles, or furniture finishes that align with the chosen color scheme. When these elements share a common palette, they feel purposeful rather than decorative. This approach allows residents to enjoy a space that feels uniquely theirs, without compromising the minimalist aesthetic.